Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are not receiving emails in your Gmail, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail not receiving in your email. So first of all, open your Gmail app from your phone. Now tap on this three line here and check spam box for your email. Sometimes Gmail think the email was a spamming or from a bot and they send it spam box. So just check out this spam box. But still, if you are not finding your email here, just tap on this three line here again. Now scroll down and tap on this settings from this bottom section. Now tap on this manage your Google account. Now scroll down and look for storage or something related. So here it is, account storage. Just tap on this. You can see I have full of the storage, 15 GB is available. But sometimes what happened for you, if your Gmail storage is full, then you may not receive your email. In that case, what you can do, just tap on this clean up space. So scroll down here and you can delete files from your Google Drive, or you may delete old Gmails. You can also delete the backup of your Google Photos. And by doing this, once you get some space, you will receive email from Gmail again. But if you don't want to remove or delete your Google Drive or Gmail or Photos files, then what you have to do, you just need to create another Gmail account to get 15 GB storage, and you have to move your data from this Gmail to that new Gmail so that you can get some space to this Gmail. But there is another option to get space. Just tap on this upgrade here. You can get extra storage on your Gmail, but it's paid. But again, it's a problem, you are not receiving email. Then just go back to your Gmail again and navigate to the settings again. Now scroll down and look for sync or something like that. Here it is, sync Gmail, and make sure for your Gmail this is checked. Like if it is unchecked, then you may face some problem to get message. So make sure that it is checked from here. And after doing all of these things, if there is still problem, then what you have to do, open your settings, go for apps or app manager, tap on this, scroll down and look for Gmail. Open Gmail here. Now scroll down and just tap on this storage. Now clear cache from here. Sometimes it bugs and glitches might be a problem. So you can fix that by clearing the cache. And make sure you are using the latest version of Gmail by checking from the Google Play Store. Go to your Play Store and search for Gmail and make sure it is updated version. I hope after doing all of these things, the problem will be solved. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.